Hello and welcome to my Systeme contact form video where I'm going to be showing you how to add like a contact us page so that people can reach out to you and send emails. If you'd like to follow along, I will leave my link down below. We can either test out Systeme or simply use it for easier login access. I'm going to start from complete scratch here just to show you all the steps that you need to go through. So in the beginning, you want to go to funnels and simply click on create. I'm going to call this contact. I'm just going to do a custom one where we can build it from scratch and click on save. Let's click on contact. And in this one, since there's an inactive page, that's fine. I'm going to do add step. And if you already have a funnel here, you can already just simply add the step to it. I just want to let you know that. So this is going to be called contact. And let's choose the step type. If we scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see we have a contact us page section. So let's do that and click save. From here, there's already going to be ones that are going to be done for you. So what we can do is choose one of these, but what I'm also going to do is kind of just like delete it and show you how you can add it in. So let's just say we want to go with this one here. Let's go with select and let's edit page. Okay. If you notice here, this is going to be the contact us field. So the thing is that there's going to be a simple contact us form that you can utilize. So let's say I want to delete this. Let's do that. Yep. And if you look here on the elements on the left side, there is a contact us form section. So anytime you're on a landing page, you can just drag and drop this in wherever you want it to go. This is going to be under here, which is fine. Let's remove this. And of course, what you can do is just go in here and change this around. So this is going to be name. Obviously, you could just do like, first and last name. We have email. Of course, if you want to change that around, there's a few other things you can do in terms of like margins and borders. This is more of like the cosmetics. We have our subject, like what's it about, and of course the message. And of course, we have the reCAPTCHA here and the submit button. So obviously when this is done, you can do submit button text. That's going to be good to go. So this is how you can do adding the actual contact us on the page. Make sure that you save it when you were done. Here's the other thing that you need to do. So let's just say we want to go back. From here, what you want to do is hover over your icon, your logo, what it's going to be, whatever it's going to be there, and click on settings. So I'm already in the settings section, and what you want to do is look on the left side where custom domains is, and it's going to bring you here. Whatever domain name you are using, you want to click on these three dots right here and then go to settings. So the thing you want to enter right here is the email address for contact us form submissions. As it says right here, the email address to which contact us form submissions will be sent. So whenever someone fills that in, it's going to send an email to wherever you want it to go, obviously to yours. So wherever that's going to be, make sure you add that in. And then of course, there's going to be the save button. So it's to say, your email at gmail.com, whatever it is, right? And then just simply click on save. And you're going to be good to go. So that's the very simple steps when it comes to adding a contact us form to Systeme, any of your landing pages. And that should pretty much do it. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up as it helps me out a lot as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.